Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to briefly analyze Lam Research. First we'll find out its dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. With a market cap of $60 billion, the current stock price is $452 and they operate in the semiconductor industry. During the last 10 years, they have greatly overperformed the S&P 500, and this is with dividends reinvested. Let us check some financial data. First off, their sales growth annually of 16.5% is extremely good. Same goes for the earnings, 28.8% earnings growth, also amazing. The analyst expects future earnings to be a bit lower, 7.66%, almost hitting the threshold of 8% here though. The return of capital also extremely good, 29%, and the debt compared to the free cash flow they are generating is also very nice. It would take them only about 2 years to pay off their debt. Now for some yield data. The dividend yield is 1.55%. It's usually quite hard for the dividend to keep up with the stock price when it's soaring like this. Next up, buyback yield. They actually bought back 3.23% of their shares last year. Very nice. Payout ratio is extremely low and nice also, 18.12%. And the growth rate is a massive 29%. And they have been growing their dividend for 8 consecutive years now. That makes up a score of 7 out of 10 points. Not too bad. Let's check the valuation. Here in fast graphs we can begin to look at the earnings, which is the orange line. It's a bit cyclical. It usually is when it comes to semiconductor companies. In the last recession, 2008-2009, they dropped all their earnings, but it picked up again. Then it went down a bit, 2012-2013, but after that it has been quite steadily growing. And if we also plot the normal PE for this company, which is actually very close to 15, it's 14.54, and we can also see that the annual earnings growth of this company is extremely nice, almost 13%. If we also plot the price, we can see that right now is trading at about fair value. It has been quite volatile lately, but right now it's actually trading a bit below its normal valuation. And if we project out to mid 2025, we can see a total annual rate of return of 12.4%. There you have it. That was it for Lam Research. If you found this video informative, hit the like button and also watch my latest video right here about 5 stocks on sale. See you soon.